Just take out some leftover turkey in your fridge and let's make this very low budget lunch together while I share a story from one of my followers. I started dating this boy, let's call him David, at age 16. He was my first love. He deflowered me after 1 year of the relationship. I wasn't happy because I wanted to keep my virginity till I get married. I was actually broken because I never knew he was planning to leave the country after sleeping with me. He left for Ghana after a week and I did not hear from him again. And anytime I tried to call him, he would ask me why I am calling him. I just had to stop calling him and move on. Then after some months, he came back and asked to see me. I went to his house and we talked and he apologized for not calling me or taking my calls and I forgave him. Fast forward to 2020, on his birthday, he asked me to come over. I bought some things for his birthday, but when I got to his house, his friends were there. We were just chilling and having fun until one of his friends came and asked, "Who is this fine girl? This one fine past the one where you carry come house yesterday." I was so shocked. I thought he was too busy for me. How come he has time for other girls? I just cried home and I told my friend and she said I should leave him, that he does not like me. He then gave me a guy's number saying that this guy has always been disturbing her to get my number. I met with this guy for the first time and he was nice, and then I went to see him for the second time and he forced himself on me. I was so ashamed of myself. He begged that he loves me so much, that's why he did that. David on the other hand was still begging me to forgive him and I told him that I can't. After 2 weeks, I found out that I was pregnant. I had to tell the guy and he told me to keep the child. I told him I can't too because I still love David. David was still begging me, so I told him I was pregnant for another guy. He then asked me to come see him and he took me to the hospital to get rid of the pregnancy, and he also pleaded with me to forgive him and I did, and we got back together. So I left that other guy. David started showing me so much love. I started to love him more and more. I lost my mom in 2021 and this boy showed me love that I've never experienced. Then my family started to notice that I have a boyfriend, which I did not want them to know because I came from a very strict family and from a Christian home, and I could not show David to them because he was not a decent guy. He was a Yahoo guy. Fast forward to 2022, my big brother, who is a pilot, asked to see my boyfriend. I was afraid, but I had to take David to see him. I told David to dress very decent, but he still went ahead to dress the way he liked. He was unable to answer the questions my brother asked him, and when he left, my brother asked me to end the relationship. Even my father was against it. So on the verge of trying to leave David, I had to cheat on him in school. I started dating another guy in school. This guy loves me, but I never returned the love back. I told him I had a boyfriend back home and he was still coping with that. This guy was very neat and decent. He is educated. He is everything my family wants. After some time, I found out that I was pregnant for him, which was strange because after that abortion I did not take him for my boyfriend. I actually thought I have a problem, not knowing that David can't father a child. I was happy that I was pregnant, but I did not want to keep him. I told the guy that I was seeing in school that I was pregnant, but he did not believe he was the father because I have another guy that I love so much. I had to explain things to him that I have never been pregnant for David before. He asked what I want to do with the baby and I told him I want to get rid of it, and he gave me the money to get rid of it. But I noticed that all of a sudden he became so angry with me. I asked him about it and he said that if that baby was really his, he never wanted to remove it. Back to David at home, I started giving him attitude and I tried to end the relationship, but he keeps saying he can never leave me and he might not survive it if he does, and that he can't see himself loving or getting married to another woman, and he will unalive himself if I try to leave him. I don't know how to leave this relationship, and November 2nd was our 5 years anniversary with David, and I posted it and this other guy saw it and he became so angry with me. He was asking me what I really want from him, that I'm just using him while I keep posting my boyfriend. Anyways guys, I just need advice on which of them to pick. I think that I love this new guy more than I love David. Anyways guys, please, I just need your advice.
Thank you all for watching. I appreciate you all. If you like my contents, please do well to engage and subscribe, and tell me the next content you want me to talk about or create. I love you all. Bye bye.